Ooh, well, I have a bit of an exciting coin ball here. I like that. Hello, welcome back. How you doing? Right, back out again, same place, Ramsfield, but this time I'm wireless. Ooh, yeah, look. Yeah. Testing out it was something that was £5 off eBay. It's just a Bluetooth transmitter into my Bluetooth headphones. Works fine. There is a delay, but hey, found something. Found something small and reasonably good. So let me show it you. Wi-Fi wireless gets its first target. 1 second. So out of there. As I say, there was a little delay, so you have to just take that into account. It's only £5. It's not the Z-Link, whatever it's called. Came. Oh, you can't see the sun. A little bezeler. There it is. Half p. 1971. Half pence. Half p. Beauty that. First little signal with the not the Z-Link or whatever it's called, with the TX8, which cost a £5. Yes. Anyway, moving on to more treasures. Not a very good one, was it, that really? Moving on. Okay, the next signal was that, and yeah, it was about a foot down. Had a little ping to it. You can see why. Yep, a little bit of handmade. Boris. Moving on. Okay, the next signal out of that hole there, whoops, turn that off, is a girt big horseshoe. It's a big one, that. Nice one. That's it really. Moving on. Woohoo! I found something good, I think. Pretty sure I have. Anyway, hold on. I'll just show you. See if you think it's good. I think it is. Out of that hole, where's me? The good thing about these ones, look. A foot down, 12 inches deep. We can see it already. Look. I was very surprised to see that come up. How beautiful is that? Go on, give us an age on that. Give us a date. That is oh, I love it. Nice bit of weight to it. A double looped buckle. Woohoo! That is bloody amazing. Woohoo! I got myself a little buckle. I like that. Moving on. Look, Mum, I made a big pile of rubbish. Dug a big hole. And then around about there, I'd say a third of the way down the hole, I found it was there, but it was on its edge. The artist found threepenny bit going. Beautiful. 1952. Hooray, a coin. George the Sixth. Threepence with the thrift plant on the back of it. God knows why they chose that. Anyway, yes. There it is. Woohoo! Tar. Very much. Moving on. Now I knew that threepence wasn't on its own. That was over there. So, I persevered, spiraled round the hole, What do you think? Oh God, what do you think I found? His mate, which is a I don't know why I just hummed the Coronation Street theme tune, because I don't watch it, but there you go. It's a coin of some description. Give me a minute, I'll give it a scrub up and I'll show you what it is. And as you can see, it's a rather lovely George VI 1 penny. Pre-decimal, from decimal, that is our coinage today for those who don't understand the British coin system. So they're out of circulation. There you go, 1 penny from 1938. The back is a bit toasty, but the front is a lovely. Oh, can you see him? Hello, George. Right, oops, sorry about that. Oh. Moving on. Ooh, well, I just found a George VI thre'pence, George VI penny, and I've just had another signal. Oh, made a little 1 foot triangle. So I can't show you because it'll show where I am. But I think I found something very interesting. It looks a little bit round. Let me just show you. Can you see that? No, you can't. It's upside down. Hold on. No, I don't know whether you can. Oh, yes, you can. Oh, that's the first time I've got close up to it as well. There's not one. There's two. Woohoo! Hold on. Where are they? Come at you, buggers. Oh, oh, ooh, now then. Oh, that's a nice feeling. But it wasn't a nice feeling for whoever dropped them. Oh, they look like George V. Well, that one does anyway. Let me just clean these up and I will show you what they are. Ooh. Well, there you go, me hearties. Two lovely George V 1 pennies, pre-decimal coins. They were sat together, so unfortunately the backs. Hey, listen to this noise. I love that noise. One's a oh, that hasn't gone over. One is a 1912, and the other is a 1930. Wow. George V pennies. So that's 3 pennies and a threepenny bit from this little, I would say, 2 metre square hole area. So yeah, I think I might hit this a little bit harder. Anyway, moving on. Well, I have a bit of an exciting coin ball here. Definitely, I'll get you in the sun. I can't see myself. Oh, that's better, is it? I don't know. Turn you around here. There we go. Right, let's see what's in here, shall we? Oh, that feels penny-ish. Not far from the other ones. Yep. Tell you what, let me clean it up and I'll show you what it is. I think we all know what it is. There he is, George VI in all his glory, and it's a 1938 penny. You can see that? 1938, another penny. Oh, Pennyfield? This end, definitely. Woohoo! Moving on. Now, that penny wasn't on its own. It wasn't on its own. Oh, look, it had a little mate. It had a little halfpenny. Oh, you can't see for the sun, can you? Woohoo! Hold on a minute. Rub on the magic trousers. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's a... Oh, God. Looks like a young, like a George. There you go. Use the Velcro. Oh, no, that's George the Fifth. George V halfpenny. Woohoo! From... Oh. Ah, can't see. Oh, that's got little dates. Oh well, I'll put it across the bottom when I do the picture. Moving on. Woohoo! Good day for pennies today. Well, that's it for me, I think. I think this will be my last coin find, and it is. Always nice to finish on. Oh, what's that? A 19... Oh. Always nice to finish on a 1989 2p, or as Ben would say, 2p. Marvellous. Made a good day, actually. 1 second there. Okay, let's have a show of hands for who likes finding that at the bottom of the clod. Oh, look! Cheers, come on. Moving on. Oh, what fun and jolliness. Now that hole, well, I had 2 holes, 2 targets right next to each other, about a metre apart, just over. Both pinging signals. Dug that one. It's one of those seals again that nobody knows what it is, that says Deano on it or something. That's that one. Okay, and then this one has a noise. Ugh. There's something nice in here, I think. Or is there? I don't know. Let's find out together. It's probably nonsense. See anything yet? Oh, what? Oh well. Nice. So, lead seal and bottle top. You know when you've been tangled, as the advert used to say, and then got kids to have their eardrums burst. Hooray for tango. Oh, there you go. Moving on. Right, as the sun washes over me one more time, what am I about? I think I'll leave it there on that 1971 2p, 2 penny piece. These are spendables, by the way. This is decimal coins, for those who don't know. Yeah, anything after 71. Oh. Apart from the half p's, I think. Anyway, yes, blah blah blah. Moving on. Moving on. Almost forgot to say, after the first couple of signals with the Bluetooth thing, that TX8 that I had, there's too much lag. It's doable if you really are annoyed with wiring, but it doesn't bother me so much, to be honest. So yeah, I ditched it, banged the headphones back in, and the results are obvious. Although I probably would have found all that stuff anyway. Just would have been harder, I suppose. Yeah, so thumbs down for the TX8. Oh well. really, because it's only a £5 and it does work. It's just that the reactivity of it is just, what's the word I'm looking for? Recovery, there's the word. The recovery is not as good as it is with obviously headphones plugged straight in. Bob's your uncle will get the recovery of the machine. Right, I'll shut up now. Moving on. That's it for me, so stay safe, have fun, wear gloves, fill in all your holes, good luck and happy hunting wherever you are and wherever you're hunting with. And don't forget to follow all the codes of conduct we have, metal detecting code of conduct, country code, all that good stuff. Keep the farmers on side and all that. So, see you on the next. Ta-da! Bye!